Hello,
Hello.
and welcome to another episode of Shift Happens, your marketing automation migration guidebook. We are Aviva and Rima, and today we will discuss how and why to perform a thorough system audit before migration.
Auditing is crucial before you move on to a new marketing automation tool. Whether you have a current marketing automation system or not, this will still serve you for planning and managing your project.
We can compare it to house renovation, right? Before moving to a new apartment, you go through everything in your existing place and decide what to take with you. You want to have all the new energy there, right?
It's about understanding your current state to build your dream state.
Walk us through the process.
There's 3 steps for conducting an audit. First is mapping your current system inventory. When I say audit, I mean listing everything your current system has, data points, entry points, workflows, processes, in order to reach step 2, where you prioritize everything as you switch to your new marketing automation tool.
Got it.
Step 3, this is where the fun begins. It's about architecture and redesign. As you dive into your current marketing automation system, you'll find a lot of redundancies, unmaintained processes, and things that no longer serve you. This is the place to reduce those energy vampires.
And that's also a real opportunity for cost reduction. You can consolidate tools. For example, maybe you are using a bunch of tools for web forms. This is the place to get rid of some or all of them to consolidate into the new systems that you are using.
Exactly. And also data reduction. Okay, we'll dive into this in the next episode.
I assume when you go through the process, it can get really messy. How did you keep everything organized and clear?
We created a template. It's linked to this episode and you'll be able to copy paste it.
Perfect.
This will serve you as you plan, prioritize, and go through your migration process. Allow me to share my screen. First, we'll be listing all your operational workflows. Detail the workflow name, what's the enrollment criteria. If you have a flowchart, link it in. And I think that the most important part is to log the monthly volume. Based on that, you'll be able to eventually prioritize workflows. Next will be the marketing workflows, customer face, right? Operational is for managing data, contacts, syncing, and etc. Marketing is everything that actually includes communication with customers or users. This is more or less the same. I do recommend to add the last 3 months performance. We'll compare the current system performance versus the previous state.
As a rule of thumb, operational before marketing flows.
You have to have everything in place to communicate with users.
Mhm.
Next will be product workflows, which is more or less the same. Product workflows related to product triggered events. So let's say login, sign-ups, forget password, anything that's communication based on your product events. And this is more or less the same. I think that the necessary addition is the product POC, because in most cases you won't be conducting this on your own and you will need an actual product. In order to prioritize this, you will need their collaboration.
Mhm.
Next, integrations. So it's straightforward to map every integration you have within your system. This is probably also the place where you will find redundancies. Next to entry point is everything that enables entry of users and leads into your system. Any connection, any forms, landing pages.
Different technologies, right?
Yes. Email templates, basic, have a few listed templates to create a new system. Last, the data properties. Important note, you will find dozens, maybe thousands of data properties in your current system.
Oh, yeah.
If you start migrating them all, you won't get out of it. Look at the requirements of your current workflows that are needed to be migrated to list the must-have data. As you set up your system, build upon that. But you got to have some MVP to start with. This is the purpose of mapping those in the audit. This will be your working doc as you go on.
It looks amazing. Thank you for sharing. See you in the next episode.
Thank you.